In this video, you will learn how to sell covered calls or rent out 100 shares of stocks or ETFs that you already own that are tradable on eTrade in under 1 minute. No introductions, no silly fluff, like it's straight to the content. Let's go. Step 1. Buy 100 shares of a stock or ETF. Note, you must have 100 shares at least to sell a covered call. If you want to skip right to selling a covered call on eTrade, please use the timestamp that you'll see somewhere here because you already own or have 100 shares or know how to do this. Let's buy 100 shares of ticker symbol NLY Annalie because it's a great dividend stock and in my opinion, it is undervalued. Type in the ticker symbol under symbol and press buy at the right-hand corner. Under action, click buy. Quantity 100. Price type limit, which is the maximum price you're willing to pay for one share. Type in the maximum price that you are willing to pay. I usually like to do a little bit, about 2 cents over what the market price looks like. Under duration, click good for day. Now check the estimated total cost at the bottom just to double check your work. Then click preview order, click place order, and now make sure this order is executed here. Now we're going to sell one covered call OTM or out of the money. Click trading, click options up at the top. Enter your ticker symbol, mine is NLY. Now look to the right of your screen. You will see all of the prices you can generate for renting out your shares as long as it's after 9:45 a.m. Go to positions. One should be in parentheses if you already have or own 100 shares. Look at your average price paid. Mine is $7.61. We want our strike price to be higher than our average price paid. Under select a strategy, click call. Under action, click sell open. Under quantity, click 1. Under type, click call. Under strike, make sure the price is higher than your average price paid and a price you don't think the stock will go to before the expiration date. Ideally, I would like $8 or $9 because I don't think the share price will go much higher in the short term. The lower the strike price, usually the higher the estimated proceeds you get. Go to expiration. This is how long you will rent out your shares. This is totally up to you. Usually, the longer the expiration date, the more estimated proceeds you get. I usually sell monthly covered calls at a strike price I don't think the share price will get to. So basically, I do this each month to collect my rent for simply owning shares. Go to price type, click limit. Under limit price, type in the bid. Under duration, click good for day and preview order. Click place order and you will receive the estimated proceeds when the order is executed.